The adventures in Jaitegin Khan High School Organic Garden started at the beginning of November because of the extreme weather conditions this year. First, my 11th grade students prepared the soil. We have newcomers, new green fingers. They could easily learn how to dig the soil and clear the farming area. It was great fun for them. There were too many insects in the soil, but the students weren't afraid of them. The first seeds to bury in the soil were tulip and daffodil bulbs. My students did their best to grow the best tulips and daffodils. The climate of Kocaeli is ideal for growing tulips, and for the last 3 years, Tulip Festival has been organized by the Metropolitan Municipality.
It has been really freezing for over a week here in Kocaeli, and you can see our organic garden is covered with snow. It is like a white blanket, and it's almost impossible to see the plants. But I have just noticed, I was looking for our tulips and daffodils. I just noticed that yes, beauty. Can you see it now? Yes, it has blossomed. Yes, this is the symbol of the spring. When the hyacinths have blossomed, it means spring is very soon, coming very soon. But the weather is awful today, and I'm so upset. I found out that 2 of our daffodil sprouts were stolen. Yes, someone stole them. We waited for the tulips and daffodils to come up for a long time, but now they are gone. I'm so sorry.
We planted some winter green vegetables such as onions, radish, cress, parsley, and broad beans. As there was too much rain, the plants came out very late and some seeds went bad. But the rain was helpful in a way. We didn't have to fight with green flies, so we harvested much more broad beans and beans this year. Yeter is my assistant and very good at gardening. You can see her sow beans and corn seeds. Corn and beans are planted at the same time so that the shoots of the beans can cling to the corns. It's a kind of symbiotic relationship. In the spring, our garden was so colorful with fruit and flowers. Building a chicken cage. One day, I had an idea. I asked my students, why don't we build a chicken cage and raise some chicken in our garden? They were puzzled, then agreed and started building the cage. It was a secret between me and Cynthia at first. Then we shared it with the other participants in a VC. Unfortunately, we didn't raise any chicken this year. We're looking forward to the next year to raise some. Our physical education teacher is really good at carpentry. He gave a big hand to us. Except for our organic garden, our school has not a big garden full of trees. The students did their best to plant more trees in the schoolyard. We joined in a tree planting day as well.
Dökeyim mi hocam?
Hayır hayır, daha değil.
Yok.
Our organic garden was visited by our collaborators. Kay and Cynthia were the first, and then Olga from Russia and Pervane and Ruhiye from Azerbaijan visited our garden. We're looking forward to the other participants' visits. Please come to visit our organic garden and taste our juicy fruit and vegetables.